In this video, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw your money from BYDFI to Binance. So please follow step by step to know the process for free. Thank you for your watching. Please download your BYDFI exchanger from Play Store. If you need to sign up, please check description of this video. There is link of my referral code. Please use it to register. Okay, the step one is to open your BYDFI account. Open your BYDFI exchange. Select the coins you like to withdraw. So for me, I will withdraw TRS. There is minimum withdrawal of TRS is 100 at a BYDFI exchange. So check withdrawal fee to avoid unnecessary charges. Then check the address you can use to withdraw. Back to Binance. Then copy the wallet address of your wallet address of TRS so that you can use it to withdraw your fund from BYDFI. Select deposit section. Click on deposit crypto. Select a TRS so that let me cross checking to find TRS so that I can use wallet address to withdraw my fund. Not used. No, let me back. Okay. Okay, select TRS as I have done right now. I found it. So as what I have tell you before, the withdrawal of both two address, withdrawal and deposit address, should be matched, must be matched. If not, you will lose your own pound, and there is no way to recover your pound if you lose it in blockchain technology. Okay. From my previous video, I have told you there is BEP20 of TRS and TRC20, and most of the exchange, with the exception of BYDFI and Binance, most of exchange use only TRC20. Okay, for me, I will use TRC20 again. Okay, I have told you before, make sure the address is confirmed, is matched. Then copy your wallet address, paste it to the BYDFI exchange. Put the amount you like to withdraw, then confirm the transaction. Confirm your transaction. Now the OTP has been sent to your registered email address. Copy and paste it into your BYDFI exchange so that your withdrawal request will be proceed. Okay, there is two methods of verification. There is email verification and Google verification, or Google verification and phone number verification. Okay, let me paste my second verification. As soon as this video code is correctly, withdrawal will be success. Then wait for the blockchain confirmation before your destination wallet address credited to such amount you have withdrawn. As soon as you have used this step correctly, you will be escape from losing your fund in a cryptocurrency transaction, especially between Binance and BYDFI, or between Binance and KuCoin. Thank you for your watching. Okay, my transaction is still being processing. I am waiting for blockchain confirmation. Okay, wait a while. Check your transaction history so that you will see your transaction may be completed or yet. So our transaction was completed and succeeded, so that my Binance account, it is being credited with such amount of money. Thank you for watching. Please kindly follow and subscribe my YouTube channel.